Let's learn how to add Smartproxy proxies to Octo Browser. The process is similar for all proxy types, but today we'll use residential proxies. When you log into the app, head to the Proxies tab. Click on Add Proxy. In a pop-up window, name your proxies. Here, we'll call them Smartproxy Residential. Next, choose your preferred proxy protocol. Smartproxy offers residential, mobile, and dedicated data center proxies with HTTP and SOCKS 5 support. But if you're using ISP or shared data center proxies, choose HTTP protocol. Now, head to the Smartproxy's dashboard. Click on Residential Proxies and choose Residential. In the Authentication Methods section, click on Create User. Type in the username of your choice and hit Create User again. The password is generated automatically. Alternatively, you can choose IP whitelisting as an authentication option. Next, scroll down to the Endpoint Generator section. Specify your user, location, session type, and protocol. Here, you'll find your host and port. Copy those details and go back to the Octo Browser app. Enter the details you copied into respective fields. In Login and Password fields, type your Smartproxy authentication details. If you choose IP whitelisting, leave them empty. Don't forget to check your proxy. After proxies are tested, click Confirm to save the profile. Now, proxies are added to your account, but let's pair them with a browser profile. Go back to the Profiles tab. Then, click Create Profile. Name your profile and customize it with plenty of options. When you're ready to add proxies, go to the Connection tab. Click on Set Proxy and choose from the drop-down list. Click Create Profile and that's it. You're all set for anonymous browsing. You'll find all the relevant links in the description. For more helpful guides, visit our YouTube channel and documentation.